What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Mark here with the Crypto Mark. Let's talk some Dogecoin. All right, so let's get into it. And if you guys all hold Dogecoin, let YouTube know. Put that DOGE down below in the comments box, and make sure you guys all give me a subscribe and smash that like button. Okay, we're going to take a dive into the chart, and also I'm going to share with you guys what went on as we saw a little bit of a withdrawal, a huge one if that. We're going to talk about that, what it means for Dogecoin holders, and I'll give you guys my thoughts along the way. All right, so let's get down into it, and please remember, not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence, okay? So massive Dogecoin withdrawal, okay, stunned the crypto community as the Robinhood platform saw this withdrawal amid the SEC drama, okay? So we saw 120 million Dogecoin. That's what we're going to talk about. But first, let's get into the chart right here as we trade at $14.34. I'm sorry, wow, $14 Dogecoin. That would be amazing. But no, 14 cents, 1434, that level. That's where we're at. Kind of a, consolidation we're seeing within this range. And quite frankly, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. If we keep trading within this range until we get better conditions within crypto, more strong, favorable market conditions, not just within, Dogecoin, but just the overall strength, right? And it's crazy to me in this market how we see Bitcoin brushing all-time highs. We just recently hit it. We just had the Bitcoin halving, the ETFs, one thing after another. And the rest of the market hasn't been following suit. And the best way that I can help you guys out with understanding that is, to the best of my ability, is it's simply just because we don't have that retail FOMO that we had back in 2021. Okay, so that's where I'm at with that. That will be coming, okay? And this is kind of what we look into, why this is important. Well, simply put, I'd rather be in now than when that money does come back into crypto, okay? And that's how I feel about it. All right, but let's get down into what's going on within this Robinhood withdrawal. 120 million Dogecoin, all right? That's about $18+ million at the current valuation, around 15 cents, all right? The address identified as DDUXG is no newcomer to the scene, right? They've been established and completing large Dogecoin, significant transactions, okay? But now they have 1.92 billion Dogecoin, about $292.4 million. So that's kind of what's interesting. Now, is that something where it's single-handed investors, or is this exchanges, okay? Who knows? But the liquidation is noteworthy. And that's why we kind of have to follow the whales, because when we see them shuffling money, we see them moving assets, that's what's always going to be the first line of indication of what I'm going to be doing, because I like to follow the whales and get ahead of the movement of the rest of the market. Okay, but also this is kind of interesting because just days ago we did see the Wells notice that was presented to Robinhood after they disclosed that notice. Now that's where they accompany that notice with recommendations from the regulator staff to pursue legal action for Robinhood for alleged violations of the Securities Exchange Act. So, yes, once again, the SEC on their witch hunt, okay? So, it's kind of what we're seeing. This possibly could be why we're seeing a little liquidation from Robinhood. It could be just, a user or exchange, for that matter, worried about having their assets frozen or somewhat stuck in purgatory within Robinhood if something were to happen within the SEC. Okay, but Robinhood continues to be that guy, right? That continues to be that guy for a lot of cryptos out there, free, no fees, and it is one that's very, very different because a lot of people use it, not just retail investors. So big people that, such as this user that has the 120 million Dogecoin transaction, as well as a 1.92 billion Dogecoin portfolio. So, like I said, we dove into the chart. I showed you exactly what's going on. Like I said, I'm not really concerned with this range. If we can get above 20 cents, sure, that's great. But if it's just going to be for some whales to liquidate and to dump on the rest of the market, then what's the point? So I want to get more favorable conditions, and then we can start our ascension up and that next leg up for Dogecoin. So thanks all for watching. Appreciate you guys. Remember to subscribe on your way out if you have not yet done so. Appreciate you guys watching this video, taking the time out of your weekend, and please have a great rest of that weekend, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.